Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we are very excited. I'm saying we because I have Unnati with me. Yay! And I'm so excited. This is the first time I'm collaborating after Unnati has started her her old YouTube channel. She's resumed, she's back on it. So before continuing with this video, go subscribe to her channel. Now coming to this exciting bit, we've been planning this video for more than 6 months. Easily. हमने बहुत try करके रखा था कि ये बनाना है. And now that she's back, we are doing this. So, you know by the title, we are recreating each other's Instagram pictures. I will be showing you the pictures that I recreated of Unnati's over here, and then on her channel she'll be showing you the pictures that she created of mine. Very nervous, very stressful. So let's get on to the first picture. I hope you're having a good day. I am pretty excited about this video. Me and Unnati have both chosen 3 to 4 pictures that we'll be recreating from each other's profiles. I have sort of narrowed it down. I think I say this in every video of mine nowadays, but because we are in lockdown, we had to choose pictures also in a way that, you know, I could recreate at home. But I did try to like experiment, and I'm not trying to play safe. So I won't be recreating all of the pictures today. I'm just doing one picture today because every picture has like a different setup, a different makeup look. So the picture that I'm recreating is this one. I have already done my hair and my makeup sort of similar to what Unnati has. I did choose that picture because I thought it was different. It's something that we can recreate at home. I saw that I have quite a few things from that picture, like a fridge. I have a fridge. Then I have the same exact top that she's wearing, but I have it in white. I have blue jeans similar to Unnati's again, and then she's wearing 2 necklaces on her neck. I found one which is similar to hers, but the top wala I could not find, so I'm just gonna wear one instead of 2. So I have changed into the top that is similar to Unnati's. I've also added like a dangly necklace because उसने वैसा ही कुछ पहना था photo में, and I've added simple hoops. Although in Unnati's pictures they were not visible, she's posted 2 pictures in the same look. So in one of them I saw she was wearing these earrings. So just in case अगर मेरा भी दिखा तो even वो same रहेगा. Now that we are set, let's go and get this picture. I've got my ring light and my tripod for my phone, and I'm here at my fridge. But the only problem is Unnati was sitting down in her picture, and my fridge, matlab, the problem is कि my freezer is नीचे and my regular fridge is ऊपर. Usually freezer ऊपर रहता है and normal नीचे. तो I don't know because उन्नति का पूरा head के ऊपर भी space जो था उसमें भी fridge visible था. तो वो एक difference होगा photo में obviously, and उन्नति के बदले मैं रहूँगी. But yeah, so I'm gonna try and recreate as similar as I can. तो उन्नति के shelves का जो भी stuff है मैं recreate करना try करने वाली हूँ. एक चीज़ मैंने देखा उन्नति के इसमें was शेजवान चटनी, which I could very clearly see in her photos. So got my शेजवान चटनी. I'm going to recreate. Wow, fridge की lighting कितनी अच्छी है. It took me really long to get the shot, and I still don't know if I have got the perfect one. I'm gonna edit them and see. But I don't know, I was trying to be a perfectionist, I guess, and that's why it took me so many tries. I might have gotten something close to her picture, but what I forgot to mention earlier was Unnati looks so hot in that picture. Like, she looks sultry AF, and I don't think I can recreate that, but I think it's somewhere close to her picture. I'm so stupid. I got the shot, I edited the picture, I'm like wow कितना similar लग रहा है ये वो, and then I noticed कि उन्नति के fridge का light बंद है and मेरा चालू, and that is bothering me now. So मैं जाके reshoot करने वाली हूँ. Tried to match. मैंने freezer में भाजी भी add कर दी guys, just to match उन्नति's picture, and यहाँ शेजवान चटनी भी है जो notice में नहीं आ रही, but क्या करूँ. मैं मैंने ना यहाँ पे फोल्डर्स बना के रखे हैं, एक एक फोटो मेल कर रही हूँ मैं उन्नति को show it to her. So if I look there, that's because Unnati, मैंने phone वहाँ रखा है and my laptop is here. Now before Unnati sees it, I'm going to show the picture to you guys. So here it is. Now it's time for Unnati. खुल जा. Oh no. Technical difficulties, guys.
जरा सा क्या वाईफाई थोड़ा हमारा थोड़ा. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh no.
ये क्या?
मैंने बहुत ट्राई किया टू बी एज सिमिलर. मैंने पता है 2 बार शूट किया ये फोटो. मैंने वो भी किया, पता है मैंने देखा कि फ्रिज के पीछे क्या क्या चीजें हैं तेरे. तो मैंने वो
सेम बॉटल
रेप्लिकेट किया. शेजवान चटनी, वेजिटेबल बॉटल.
ये बहुत बॉम है. टॉपी से
The best part about recreating with Unnati was कि हमारे बहुत चीजें similar है.
Like clothing,
the photos you all will see. को points कितने देगी?
10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
No.
10 out of this
ये
is
मुझे
this is bomb. Everything wise, pose wise, jewelry wise, clothing wise, backdrop wise, 10 out of 10.
pose wise तो ये मेरा हाथ ना ये नहीं हो रहा था. ये मैं बहुत ट्राई किया.
ये मैं पता नहीं है मैं भी कैसे की हुई है पोज.
उन्नति के poses बहुत difficult थे
प्लीज
guys.
आशना के भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट है वो. प्लीज देख लेना नेक्स्ट में.
Okay, next photo.
हेलो.
It's another day to recreate IG photos. So, as you can see, I've already done my hair, my makeup. I was actually gonna recreate another picture, which is this one, and I had nothing resembling Unnati's outfit, but I still gave it a shot. I was like, I found outfits that were similar to hers, but then it started raining here. The sunset was like a very key element in her photo, so I didn't want to recreate it because I was like, edit करके भी वो अच्छा नहीं आएगा. So I have changed, and now I'm going to recreate this photo. So I have pretty much done my hair, makeup, ये सब पीछे जाने वाला है to recreate the pose, but I got the same earrings that Unnati is wearing, and I got the same glasses because I remember Unnati and Khushi had the same pair of glasses. So I've got it, and the only problem is the background. I have nothing similar to the background in Unnati's photo. So I'm gonna just, I don't know, I'm just gonna click it here, and then I'll edit it in a similar way to Unnati's. Like I'll try and match her color tones. It's a big bowl, but frozen watermelon. Here's the photo I'm showing Unnati. Disclaimer, this is my least favorite photo. Least out of the 4.
Ready?
Ready.
Wow.
बिल्कुल सेम नहीं है ये उन्नति.
और कितना
नहीं.
अच्छा लग रहा है. कितना अच्छा
बिल्कुल
लग
सेम नहीं.
रहा है. मैं गिव अप कर सकती हूँ क्या ये चैलेंज अभी? प्लीज बता दे मुझे.
तू पागल है.
ये क्या?
ये बिल्कुल सेम नहीं है फोटो. प्लीज.
आशना.
ये बहुत डिसअपॉइंटेड थी मैं ये फोटो के बाद.
आशना प्लीज. बार-बार अगेन सेम शेड.
बस ग्लासेस सेम थे मेरे पास.
यार यस
ग्लासेस इयररिंग्स दोनों सेम थे. एग्जैक्ट सेम. पता नहीं कहाँ से आ रहे हैं हमारे पास सेम चीजें.
एग्जैक्ट सेम कहाँ से? मैं वही रियलाइज की पता है कि मतलब
हाँ.
या आशना के पिक्चर्स रिक्रिएट करने के टाइम कि इतने सिमिलर क्लोथिंग है हमारी.
सिमिलर है.
मुझे तो बहुत पसंद है.
बट यार प्लीज ये मेरे को इतना नहीं अच्छा लगा.
चुप कर जा यार प्लीज. इसको मैं दूंगी 9.
ये क्या मार्क्स है?
ये
Are
फैंटाबुलस.
you angel?
I am the best judge. पता लग गया
ये
रहेगा.
क्या ग्रेस मार्क्स दिए जा रहे हैं
ग्रेस
मेरे को?
नहीं है ये. This is
This is grace. I think guys उन्नति बहुत sweet है, वो
अरे
मेरे को
चल,
ऐसी
चल,
grace
चल,
mark दे रही है.
Next picture.
Okay, so the next look, I'm actually doing it in the same t-shirt like the previous one, because the next look I'm recreating is this one. And Unnati has a turtleneck, which is like a grayish one. I don't have anything close to it, but I do have this white full sleeve that I wore for the previous picture. I mean, I might pull it up like this so it'll look like a turtleneck. And also she had a newspaper backdrop, so I just made that, went a little over the top and tried to replicate the tape mark that is there in her paper wala. Not a good idea, it doesn't look that good, but still I'm gonna leave it anyway. And she has these glasses on. I got the same one, so I'm gonna wear these. Last final touch is Unnati has a band-aid on one of her fingers, so I'm also gonna add a band-aid on one of my fingers. Okay, so Unnati had like 2 chunky rings, but I don't have anything similar, so I have combined both my rings together. Yeah, her band-aid is very brown tone, orange tone. Brown sketch pen hai kya? So the next photo is this one. Khula photo. उन्नति यार,
ये क्या है?
क्या रिएक्शंस है?
ये क्या है?
ये बहुत स्ट्रगल था फोटो. मैं एक फनी बात बताऊं देखो.
बहुत.
तेरे फोटो में ना पीछे टेप लगा हुआ है. मैंने वो मार्कर से ट्राई किया और वो बहुत गंदा टर्न आउट हुआ, तो मैंने छोड़ दिया फिर उसको. मेरे फोटो में दिख नहीं रहा इतना, बट वो है, मैंने मार्कर से वो डिजाइन बनाया.
बेस्ट डिटेलिंग किया.
और उन्नति के हाथ में बैंडेड था. लाइक शिट, ऑरेंज कलर बैंडेड नहीं मिल रहा था मेरे को कहीं से भी. मैंने नॉर्मल बैंडेड लगाया, बट वो दिख नहीं रहा.
वो बैंडेड क्यों लगाया था पता है?
नेल टूट गया था.
मेरा नेल है ना,
याद है.
हाँ, पे टूट गया था मेरा नेल. बट wow,
good.
I will give this 9.5.
Oh my god, goodness gracious.
This is 9.5.
Malakar sent by Jesus.
Everything is fantabulous. Posing wise है ना, मैं थोड़ी ऐसे ना वाकड़ी ऐसे.
इसका मतलब फोटोज में इसका बहुत पैसा लगता है. बैड एस फुल एटीट्यूड वाला, और मैं ऐसी हूँ पूरी ऐसे टेढ़े मेढ़े हो रही हूँ मैं चेयर पे. मेरे से नहीं हो रहा है. Okay, last
बहुत
photo.
सही है.
Hello. So the next picture that I am recreating is this one, and as you can see, for that I need to make a foil backdrop. So I have got my foil paper, and I'm gonna start making the foil backdrop on the wall. And makeup also I've done. Base मतलब base क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं, सभी कर चुकी हूँ मैं पूरा. बस आई शैडो बाकी है and hair बाकी है. Why am I out of breath? मैंने कुछ काम नहीं किया है अब तक. This is the first thing I'm doing today, and it is the end of the day. Anyway, getting back to the backdrop, let's start. So I am done with this, although I have done a very bad job, but I did set my phone and check if the frame is okay. That's good to go. And now for the outfit and the hair, I'm quickly gonna do that. So for the outfit, Unnati is wearing like a mesh top. I have this is the closest thing I could find, and her top was like a high neck, so I'm gonna wear a black turtleneck inside that. It was a sleeveless, like this whole part was a high neck thing. I don't know what I'm saying, but anyway, I'm gonna try that. Just need to add glitter here, and I know what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use my favorites, Fenty Beauty Diamond Bomb. This is so sparkly. I by mistake put my foundation wala finger, which I really regret, but it's very pretty. So this is all I'm gonna need on my eyes, and then I'm gonna blow dry and slightly curl my hair like Unnati, and then hopefully I can recreate this. I've just realized recreating images is very difficult, but we'll try and get the perfect shots. I'm ready. सामने से this top looks really funny, but ऐसे side में when I have to pose, it looks very similar to what Unnati has. Earrings add कर लिया, mascara and eyeshadow, hair is done. नीचे का ignore. Track pan life because कोई नहीं दिखने वाला नीचे. And lastly, most important guys, is उन्नति के हाथ में ना ऐसा foil paper उसने वो किया है as a ring, which is a very smart one. उन्नति यार मेरा foil paper दिखता गंदा क्यों है इतना? I have this phone यहाँ पे to see the pose ताकि मैं pose और hair और सब recreate कर पाऊँ उन्नति का.
I love Ashna के messages on every mail. फर्स्ट पे उसने लिखा है फर्स्ट, सेकंड पे सेकंड, थर्ड पे विद लाफिंग स्माइली, फोर्थ पे आई रियली लाइक दिस वन.
मैंने इसलिए लास्ट रखा.
Ready?
Yes.
Ashna, this is 100 out of 10 guys. 100 out of 10. I am sorry.
This I really like. ये फोटो मुझे बहुत सिमिलर लगा.
ये बहुत बॉम है. मेरे से बेटर आई है. प्लीज ऑनेस्टली आशना की पिक्चर
वो नहीं है रियलिटी, बट
बहुत बॉम. I mean,
बट ये फिंगर एक्सेसरीज उन्नति का न्यू है. एक में बैंडेड, एक में फॉइल पेपर.
वो थोड़ा
फॉइल पेपर भी चिपक नहीं रहा था मेरा, ऐसे पकड़ के करना पड़ा था मेरे को.
मैं भी चिपटा ही नहीं थी, ऐसे खाली रैप कर दी थी. मैं सोची बहुत सिमिलर हो रही है ये फॉइल पेपर, बहुत रेपिटेटिव, थोड़ा ऐड ऑन कर लेते हैं.
ओनली थिंग इन दिस फोटो मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगा वाज द एडिटिंग. मतलब वो मेरे को एप्ट नहीं आया, वरना मैं बहुत ट्राई कर रही थी कि मैं एडिट भी क्लोज करूं टू उन्नति's पिक्चर, बट नहीं हो पा रहा था. एडिटिंग
तेरी बेटर लगी मुझे. तो फिंगर पे जो ब्लिंग है वो भी ऑन पॉइंट है गाइस. आई मीन
वो तो फिल्टर से ही आ गया मैजिकली, वो मैंने नहीं किया कुछ भी. मेरा लाइक प्ले डेट के टाइम का फोटो है ये. वही फिल्टर है, मैंने वही लगाया.
वही है प्ले डेट.
इसलिए मैं
यार मैं ये सब फ्रेम करने वाली हूँ.
एंड न्यू वॉलपेपर भी मिल गए मुझे थैंक्स टू उन्नति, बिकॉज अब मेरे पास फॉइल है, अब मेरे पास न्यूज़पेपर है. मैं फोटोज निकालने वाली हूँ उसमें. According to you, what was the best picture out of the four? And you can't say all. उन्नति मेरे को पता है कैसे आंसर देती है. all. No.
बेस्ट अगर देखा जाए तो मुझे लास्ट वाली बहुत अच्छी लगी. The foil paper one.
I think वो बहुत similar था.
I was really confused between this one and the fridge one because fridge वाली भी बहुत bomb आई है. But अगर if I have to choose just one, then the foil paper one.
Same choice. So that brings us to the end of this video. Comment down below and tell me which picture you like the most. Please go subscribe to Unnati's channel now. Because अभी हमने डिसाइड नहीं किया है वीडियो कब लाइव जा रही है, बट आई थिंक लाइव होगी. बट so go and check her video out as well. So guys, the shout outs for today go to Jyoti Bajaj and Vikas Jain. If you want to shout out in my next video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment on this video telling me that you have. See you again next time. Bye.